Hello my friends. Do you know that table sugar doesn't just come from sugar cane? It also comes from sugar beets. Sugar beets were not commonly used until the middle of the 19th century, but sugar cane has been used to extract sugar for over thousands of years. In Europe and Russia, sugar mainly originates from sugar beets, whereas in certain African nations, the United States and China, sugar is generated from both sugar beets and sugar cane. Then, how is sugar made from sugar beets? In this video, we are going to learn how to make sugar from sugar beet. But first, let's watch the satisfying farming and harvesting of sugar beet. The sugar beet plant grows in temperate climates, needs around 46 centimeters of rain per year, and likes high amounts of humus. This plant is a perennial herbaceous plant with a conical, white root that grows under the soil. What you can see on the surface is a pretty rosette of bright green leaves. These leaves work hard to produce sugar through photosynthesis and store it in the root. The beet's root is made up of 20% soluble sugars, 5% pulp, and the rest of it is water. Once the beets have been harvested, they are transported to a factory. Then the sugar beets enter the factory through a flume, which washes them to get rid of dirt and other debris before slicing. Prior to removal of the sucrose from the beet by diffusion, the cleaned and washed beets are sliced into long, thin strips called cassettes. The cassettes are conveyed to continuous diffusers, in which hot water is used to extract sucrose from the cassettes. The sugar-enriched water that flows from the outlet of the diffuser is called raw juice and contains between 10 and 15% sugar. The raw juice is sent to carbonation, where milk of lime and carbon dioxide are used to purify the juice. Impurities in the raw juice are removed using clarifiers and filters. The juice is now called thin juice and looks like tea. Sugar is crystallized by low-temperature pan boiling. The liquid that was separated from the sugar crystals in the centrifugals is called syrup. On the pan floor of the factory, sugar that is crystallized in low temperature is called standard liquor. The standard liquor is boiled in vacuum pans until it becomes supersaturated. To begin crystal formation, the liquor is either shocked using a small quantity of powdered sugar or is seeded. When the crystals reach the desired size, the mixture of liquor and crystals is discharged to the mixer. From the mixer, the mask white is poured into high-speed centrifugals to separate the remaining liquid from the sugar crystals. From this point, the sugar is dried, cooled, weighed, and sent to storage. From storage, the sugar is classified into various granule sizes by passing through a series of screens and then packaged. Let's watch another satisfying sugar beet process in a factory. Sugar beet processing is an important part of the sugar industry, and the process is constantly evolving to provide more efficient and cost-effective production. As technology advances, the process of sugar beet processing will continue to become more efficient.